and they can suck the money right out of your 401k. Coach Pete from Capital Financial Group is back to help us eliminate them. Coach Pete, welcome back to My Carolina.
Oh, good to be here. You know, termites really they do suck. They're in trouble. They get a lot of people in trouble. You don't see them until it's too late. Once you see a termite, it's too late. I mean, it's like, I've never, luckily, knock on wood, somewhere, no pun intended, but I don't have termites that I know of. But inside our portfolios, what if we had too many risk, fees, commissions, and what if we didn't know about it until we reach retirement and we say, gosh, where's that $1 million I was supposed to have in retirement? I only have 600,000. Well, financial termites were eating away at your portfolio every single year. So there's ways to eliminate that, but we need to, number one, we need to realize that not all plans are the same. And a lot of plans and planners are not fiduciaries. So a fiduciary has to explain everything to you and can't hide commissions and fees inside your portfolio. Matter of fact, a fiduciary cannot take commissions out of your portfolio. We're a fiduciary organization for a reason, because we want to make sure that our retirees have a comfortable retirement and don't think about us in a mean way every single day when they wake up.
Right.
Because if you have a planner that's been ripping you off over the years and then you can't retire when you wanted to, or maybe never retire, or not retire with the money you wanted to have or thought you were going to have, it's all on that planner. They did a bad job.
So let's take a step back. Financial termites are these hidden fees that are eating away at our 401k.
It could be fees, risk, or commissions that you don't see. Now, when you get a 401k, not just 401k, but any kind of retirement account or any kind of stock account, there's a lot of financial termites here. They will disclose a very small fee on your 401k statement. You'll see maybe $1, but that's to send you the statement. There could be 21 other fees inside your 401k. 60 Minutes, about 10 years ago, did an expose on 401ks and really slammed all the hidden fees there. So how do you know? The fees are in one document. It's called the plan document. It's usually in your HR office. It's in their file cabinet because they don't know what it is either. They just put it in there. It's a gigantic document, maybe 300 pages, maybe 500 pages, explaining all the fees. But we can find that out for people, and we have a 401k monitoring service. So we want to make sure, because most people's money right now is in 401ks. But IRAs, we also monitor IRAs to make sure that you're not overpaying at the bank or the brokerage firm where you have your IRA, or just money like a brokerage account. Many people are paying fees inside brokerage accounts they don't know. So why does it matter? Well, if we can eliminate those fees, those commissions, those expenses, you'll have more money for you when you need it the most in the retirement. And if you have more money today, that money grows interest every single day. If you don't have that money in your account, you're not building that interest. So it has a long-term effect. It's gigantic. We have a 401k box set. It's called the 401k Survival Manual Box Set. It's got a DVD, a workbook, and a fee disclosure guide. It's a $300 value. We're going to give that out in a minute, too, for the first 20 people that call. But I'm also going to give a total retirement plan out. That's where we put together what you want to do in retirement, and we show you if it's possible, and we eliminate those financial termites. And one more thing, we eliminate the UFOs, the unidentified financial objects that are hovering around your portfolio. If you don't understand it, maybe your broker doesn't understand it either, but one thing I do understand is you're paying too much in fees if you have some of these products out there. And if you're not getting the kind of returns you deserve, then who's benefiting? You're sure not benefiting. So our goal as a fiduciary planning firm, we've never had a complaint in 28 years, is to make sure that our clients always are ahead of the curve. We could do that for the next 20 people. Look at that box set. And my book, The 7 Baby Steps, that I wrote a couple years ago, it's our best-selling book in my stable. I've written 8 books. But I also give somebody a golden ticket where they can pick 2 other books out and have that plan done for them as well.
You are the man, Coach Pete. Okay, so, they have to text 21,000, CBS 17 to 21,000, and you will hook them up.
I sure will.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.